Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be taking a very simple, I would say the simplest of all, that is emotional and social intelligence. It is a part of 5th standard IT section. Okay, see students, we are emotionally involved with family, friends, isn't it? So we have some emotional responsibilities. We should take care of their emotions. But sometimes गुस्से में आके अपना मूड नहीं रहता है and we hurt someone. Okay, so that is wrong. So we should always think about the emotional responsibility and we should act accordingly. So this is what is emotional intelligence. How intellectually or with intelligence you handle the emotions. Okay, we will solve certain examples. That time you will know better. There is one more responsibility which we have. We live in a society, isn't it? ये सब surrounding में हम लोग रहते हैं. Many people are there, right? Many animals are there, birds are there, not only people. So how do we behave with them? That is our social responsibility. We must behave with them properly. See students, कभी कभार क्या होता है? We are also human beings. So we make mistakes. Unknowingly, knowingly, कभी कभी गुस्से में किसी को बोल देते हैं, किसी को hurt कर देते हैं, right? So that should not affect your answer. इधर जो ये particular topic में you should choose the option which the best of best student will do in that circumstances. टीचर मैं तो ऐसा नहीं करता हूँ, मैं कभी कभार ऐसा भी करता हूँ. It's okay. But at the time of examination, when you are solving question of this particular topic, you should behave as if you are the best student in the world. So your answer you should choose accordingly. जो सबसे अच्छा लड़का और लड़की होगी वो कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी दिस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में, वो आंसर आपको चूज करना है. ओके, चलो. दिस व्हेन वी आर डूइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट एनीथिंग ऑन द बोर्ड बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग टू राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. द क्वेश्चंस विल अपीयर ऑन योर स्क्रीन. यू रीड दैट प्रॉपरली, देन आई विल डिस्कस क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. First we will concentrate on emotional intelligence. The first question will appear on your screen. Read it properly. A discussion about painting the house is going on in your family. What action will you take? First one, you won't show interest and just ignore. Second one, you will put your opinion before the family members. Third, you will keep quiet by assuming it as the elders' matter. Fourth, you will request them not to make noise by discussion. Students, when we do anything in the house, everybody has his or her own likes, dislikes. So always you should give your opinion. Giving opinion means not compelling them to do what you want. Just, I feel this way. Put your point of view. Opinion. Opinion is not jabardasti. It is just expressing your thought. Right? So your option should be second one. You will put your opinion before the family members. Yes, you are also big enough now. Right? Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question will appear on the screen. You find a money wallet on the seat when you enter an auto rickshaw. What will you do? You will keep the wallet assuming it as your good luck. You will throw away the wallet. You will spend the money in the wallet. You will hand over the wallet to the police. Obviously, option number 4. जो अपना नहीं है वो लेना नहीं है. Honesty is the best policy. So you will hand over that wallet to the police. Police will take the proper action. They will try to find out whom that really belongs to, right? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. It is a period of examinations and your favorite movie is being shown on TV. What will you do? Watch the movie by keeping aside the studies. Won't allow anybody at home to watch TV. Focus on the studies by thinking to watch the movie some other time. Get irritated as you miss the movie due to examination. Very difficult question, isn't it? बहुत बार ऐसे होता है, अपनी एग्जाम है और अच्छा कुछ चलता रहता है टीवी पे and you are tempted to watch. But here again, I told you, the best student, he or she, what she or he would have done अगर मूवी चालू है, बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट मूवी टीवी पे और कल एग्जाम है. टीवी देखते हो ना तभी, पता है मुझे, लेकिन will you choose that option? You will keep aside the studies and watch movie. 2 मार्क्स गए. बेस्ट स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा उस टाइम? He will think कि अरे मूवी तो लग सकती है बाद में, एग्जाम आएगी क्या बाद में? नहीं. So you must choose option number 3. Focus on the studies by thinking to watch the movie some other time. Next one. You like your friend's new smartphone. What will you do? Insist on your parents for a new similar smartphone. Ask your friend to use his smartphone. Tell your friend that the smartphone causes disease. Say to yourself that you don't need a smartphone. Friends are very important part of our life. But every time, friends may not be correct. उसने स्मार्टफोन लाया तो मुझे भी चाहिए. This is a wrong approach. You should think, is it a time that I require smartphone? No, I am a student yet, and if I need some information, I can use my parents' phone. So this is not a right time to go for a smartphone. When I will become little bigger, yes, that time I will buy a smartphone. So you should rationally think about every decision, right? So here your option should be 4th one. Say to yourself that you don't need a smartphone. Next one. Your birthday is celebrated at home. Garbage is created during this occasion. What will you do? Wait for other family members to clean the house. Avoid cleaning by saying you are tired. Think that the housemaid will clean the next morning. Help the family members in cleaning the house. Mostly 1, 2, 3 ऑप्शन में से कुछ ना कुछ तो हम लोग करते हैं. एग्री और नो कैसे पता चला मुझे? बट अगेन हियर यू मस्ट चूज द ऑप्शन विच इज द ऑप्शन फॉर द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट और द बेस्ट boy or a best girl in the globe. क्या करेगी वो लड़की? क्या करेगा वो लड़का? He will help the family members to clean the house. He won't say मेरा बर्थडे है मैंने क्लीन करूंगा और क्लीन करूंगी. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. This is emotional intelligence. So you should be very very intelligent while choosing the option. So option number 4, help the family members in cleaning the house. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आगे बढ़ते हैं. नाउ वी विल डील विथ सोशल इंटेलिजेंस. सोशल मतलब सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी में अपना बिहेवियर कैसा होना चाहिए. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन विल अपीयर ऑन योर स्क्रीन. योर यंगर ब्रदर कंप्लेन्स दैट द नेबर्स किड बीट्स हिम. व्हाट विल यू डू? गो टू द नेबर टू बीट द किड. एडवाइज योर ब्रदर टू बीट द किड. Advise your brother to keep a distance from the kid. Go to the neighbor to know what happened exactly. Mostly हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? थर्ड. अरे वो झगड़ा करता है ना, उसके पास जा ही मत. Forget it. Go to some other friend. नहीं. एक misunderstanding leads to many misunderstandings. So first misunderstanding जब भी होता है तभी अगर क्लियर किया जाता है तो अब आगे रिलेशंस इंप्रूव होते हैं. सो हियर योर ऑप्शन शुड बी 4th one. गो टू द the neighbor to know what exactly has happened. Next one. A musical recital is going on in a hall. Your mobile phone starts ringing. What will you do? You will start talking on the phone. You will be angry with the caller. You will ignore the ringing phone. You will silence the ring of the phone. Obviously, whenever we are in the hospital or any theatre or any drama देखने जाते हैं, तभी it is our social responsibility to keep our phones on a silent mode. In case we forget to do that and unfortunately somebody calls, that person doesn't know where are you, so he calls. It is your responsibility to immediately make it silent, because people come there to enjoy. In the hospital, people are sick, so always we should have in mind, अपना trouble किसी को होना नहीं है. We should take utmost care so that nobody else gets trouble because of us. Okay, so here our option has to be the fourth one. You will silence the ring of the phone. Next one. What will you do to eradicate? Eradicate means completely stop garbage in your village. Participate in vermiculture project of the village. Warn the villagers not to throw garbage outside their houses. Burn all the garbage in the village. Sit idle and expect others to do this work. गार्बेज तो होना ही है घर में, तो लोगों को अगर बोलेंगे घर के बाहर मत फेंको, किधर बाहर मत फेंको, तो क्या वो एक्यूमुलेट करेंगे घर में? नॉट पॉसिबल. अगर हम लोग बर्न करेंगे वो गार्बेज, तो इट इज गोइंग टू पोल्यूट द एयर, इजंट इट? और कुछ नहीं करना तो सबसे बुरी बात. फोर्थ ऑप्शन तो एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. It is your social responsibility. So everyone should do something good for the society. So here best thing is first option. In this option you are creating something best out of waste. वो जो कचरा है, गार्बेज है, उसको प्रोसेस करके वर्मी कल्चर में मैन्यूअर तैयार किया जाता है, और वो मैन्यूअर फार्मर्स को यूज होता है फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल बढ़ाने के लिए एंड क्रॉप क्वालिटी इंप्रूव करने के लिए. सो ऑब्वियसली हियर योर ऑप्शन शुड बी फर्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट वन. अ सिचुएशन ऑफ वाटर शॉर्टेज occurs in the village. What will you do? Take care to avoid water shortage at your home. Blame the villagers for misusing water. Start a mission, save water in the village. Shift to another village. मुझे वाटर शॉर्टेज नहीं होना चाहिए, बस बाकी गए तेल लगाने. ऐसा होता है सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? नहीं. वी शुड वर्क फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ एवरीवन इन द विलेज. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज रूल्ड आउट. सेकंड ऑप्शन क्या है? ब्लेम द विलेजर्स फॉर मिसयूजिंग. सी ब्लेमिंग इज वेरी इजी. ब्लेम, आप लोग वेस्ट करते हो इसके लिए शॉर्टेज हुआ, इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं. वी शुड ट्राई टू improve. Okay, find the solutions to the problems. Fighting won't give us the solutions, right? Third option क्या है? Yes, start a mission, save water in the village. Shifting to another village तो एकदम wrong है. Save water करेंगे तो we can make people aware of the importance of water. Many people are illiterate, तो उनको समझाना पड़ेगा कि water is life, save it so that tomorrow means in future we will not face any shortage of water. So third option is the correct option. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. In a group activity, teacher has given you a responsibility which you dislike. What will you do? Insist on the teacher to give the work that you like. Don't participate in the activity. Work unwillingly. Accept the responsibility and fulfill it happily. Bolo. What will you do in case your teacher gives you some part of the work which you really don't like? Then you should take it as a responsibility, as a challenge, and डू दैट विलिंगली. ओके, जो अच्छा लगता है वो तो कोई भी करेगा, जो अच्छा नहीं लगता है वो भी उतने ही डेडिकेशन से करना. इट इज अ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट और एनीबडी. ओके, with this we are through with this very easy chapter, but very important. Why important? Because whatever we choose as the correct option, what I have told you, you should think as if the best person in the world वो क्या करता, that option you should choose. You may or may not be doing that thing in real life. Actually you should do the best thing. Try to inculcate that habit. जो option choose कर रहे हो क्योंकि that is the best person will do, then why that best person can't be you? You also can be the best person, and I am sure my students are really good. I know that. Okay, so this questions और उसके marks खिसे में जाने चाहिए at any cost. Okay, okay students, if you enjoy my videos, then like them, share them, and in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that. Okay, students, study well, and most importantly, yes, enjoy studying. Bye.